Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic AI videos with Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. You can start with a text prompt or use an image, depending on the type of video you want to create. For a realistic result, your prompt should clearly describe the subject, movement, environment, lighting, and camera style. Avoid using only short descriptions because they may not provide enough information. For example, instead of writing "a man walking," try something like "a young man walking naturally through a busy city street during sunset, realistic facial expressions, natural body movement." Soft lighting and smooth camera movement. When describing movement, keep it natural and realistic. Use simple actions such as walking, turning, looking around, or slowly moving toward the camera. You can also describe realistic lighting and environments. Details like natural sunlight, realistic shadows, reflections, weather, and background activity can make the scene feel more believable. After writing your prompt, generate the video and wait for the result. Once it's ready, preview it carefully. Check the character's movement, face, hands, background, camera motion, and overall realism. If something looks unnatural, don't completely change the prompt. Instead, adjust the specific instruction causing the problem and generate another version. You can repeat this process until you get a result that looks closer to your original idea. And that's how you can create more realistic AI videos with Hailuo AI.